Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report, a Truckerized tune-up report for Cletis in North Carolina on the Stryker SR-955HP. Cletis got you ready to go, full Truckerized package, wideband transmit receive, cap upgrades, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrades, final upgrades, all that audio and power mods, etc. Now, something that's not included in the Truckerized package that we did do on this one here that is a separate edition. If you go to these any of these radios, you'll see the upgraded wiring kit available for $50. So for $50, you're going to get this connector right here on your right, installed in the radio. Okay, you can see the difference in the size. Now, there's no need to do this on a 30 or 40 watt radio, but I see at minimum 10 to 15 watts increase on the Stryker 955s and 655s going to this right here. Also, instead of getting this really small cord, you get the other end, okay, right here with 10 gauge silicone. It's solid copper wire, stranded and tinned, okay, and it's silicone outer shielding so you won't melt it. It's real flexible. 12, it's either 12 or 14 feet. I mean, it's a good heavy chunk. But anyway, just wanted to throw that out there so that you guys that are wondering about it, I know I've had a lot of questions. They've seen that pop up on customers also purchased items. But if you want to get everything you can get out of it as far as not pushing the radio to the limits, you're just feeding the machine, there you go. This will work. I would say all the way up to your 165, 200, 250 watt radios, okay? So basically all the way up to X9 HP. But the I like to install this unit right here as well on the units that have the 6-pin connector. Do not like that 6-pin connector. Where's that joker at over here? Right here. Do not like that guy at all. Poor connections. No good. Okay. That's 2 minutes. I'll never get back. So let me get on with the show here. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. 2 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 20. Show you average power swing. Low. 50 bird. 250 watt slug in average. Low. About 127 PEP. So if you watch a lot of my videos, usually we end up about 35 bird or so. So we picked up about 15 bird with the addition of the heavier cord. Like I said, it mainly involves going to this bigger one right here, because even on my bench when I'm using this little guy, we only have like 1 foot of wire, so your voltage drop probably wasn't in the wire. But when you run a long run, you need bigger wire. Okay, alright my friend, we'll get this out to you, Mr. Cletis. Hope you enjoy it. You got wise and got Truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com.